Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So it's Tuesday and today I have 12 till 4. I have a lecture first and then I have a 3-hour lab session. I've got human identification in the lab, so I think we're going to be doing like sex estimation and ancestry maybe estimation on like skeletal remains, so that should be interesting. I'll let you guys know how it is afterwards because we're not allowed to film in there obviously. So yeah, that's what I've got now. Me and Hat are just going to walk to uni and that's about it. I've really had a really lazy morning and it's been really bad, but I clearly needed it, so treat yourself. So I've finished my day now. My lab session went pretty quickly. We did it in 2 hours and I'll explain more about it when I get back. But I've just been into Cafe Nero, had a little chat with Amy, and we're going to organise a catch up soon. She's doing all of her dissertation work, bless her. I feel so stressed already, like just me, let alone her. But yeah, I'm going to go meet Megan in Tesco now. I've just come home to these lovely bags from a brand called He'll Be Mine. They sell like shoes and bags on their website and they've sent me over this lovely little grey bag. I'll leave the links down below in case anyone's interested. And then a lovely little red one too. Cute. I'm just going to take my laptop and all my books downstairs and organise my folders and start doing some more research for my case review. So let's go. Before I organise my folders, I thought I would chat to you about today's practical. It was actually really cool. So we went back into the lab and we were in like the same groups because we're working with the same group for like every single one of my human identification labs, because we're ending up having to do a presentation at the end of the semester-ish to do to like present our skeleton in front of everyone, and we basically have to determine its sex, age, ancestry and stature, and like obviously have an explanation as to why we've come to our conclusions and stuff. And I think each one of us is going to have a different like section to talk about. We have to present it to the whole class and my lecturer, which is pretty terrifying considering she's a professional forensic anthropologist. But I'm sure I'll get over it. But it is 50%, so it's actually half of my module grade, so I'm a little bit nervous about it because there's a lot of information to learn. But today was actually really fun. We did sex and ancestry, so we determined that our skeleton, because we get the same skeleton every single week that we do it. I don't always have it every single week, but it's usually like every other. And we've determined that we think that ours is like male and that it's an Asian skeleton. So I think that's quite cool how we've come to determine that. We basically looked at the pelvis specifically for sex, and then we also looked at the cranium. The cranium was mainly used for the ancestry though. We had lots of things to compare it to, but it was actually quite interesting. It was just sort of overwhelmed me with the amount of like words regarding the pelvis that I have to learn. But yeah, that was really interesting. I thought that would be fun to tell you. I've got Megan to my, I forgot what's in front, my anterior.
Oh, I also should know that.
What's dorsal? Is dorsal also front? Dorsal and ventral.
I think it's back.
Back. What's ventral then? Front? Oh fuck knows. This is proof that I'm going to fail my module.
I think dorsal's back because I think my teacher used to be like a fin on a dolphin. Dorsal dolphin.
Back. Well, I need to go over that then. But first I'm just going to organise my folders. Usually I do this at the weekend. I like organise all my lecture notes from the week into my folders, but as I was in London I didn't get to do that, so that's what I'm going to do first, and then I'm going to get on with research for my case review. Me and Megan have been procrastinating for 2 hours. We're watching some YouTube. I've been replying to comments for ages. Megan's been watching Jojo Siwa.
Not like a fan.
Yeah, she's been watching Jojo. Now we're on to nostalgic TV's theme tunes.
I'm coming down the stairs.
Chasing teddy bears. That's really creepy.
Catch them out the way. You're I've watched the human one, not human one, but they were
Yeah,
costumes,
yeah.
because that was the one I used to watch. Anyway, well, I'm going to try and start doing my case review now because it's important.
He's a dinosaur from our imagination.
What was your favourite childhood TV show? Yeah, TV show. Oh, Roly-Poly-Oly. Ruby and Max. I always sing this. Max and Ruby.
No, I don't know.
Ruby and Max.
Oh, bro.
Blue's Clues.
I always wanted to go in there.
To the Guardian House. You
Yeah.
wanted to go to the Guardian House.
Yeah. Oh wow, Annabelle.
I used to have one
Angelina
video.
Ballerina.
Angelina Ballerina. She was my idol. She was my idol.
That was so cute. Why is she naked and some people aren't? Oh, I loved this.
Rugrat.
There's a video of Kanye dancing to
Oh
this.
yeah.
He's like dancing.
So fat, all these bitches pussies is driving bad. Bitches on your leader, ain't no other leader. Somebody for me to the best ass eater. What you think, Poppy? Google my ass. Every time you want it, that is when you Google my ass.
Just watching a documentary on the case I've decided to use, I think. I don't know how I'm going to reference this, but it's happening.
You've got a smile that can light up this whole town. We can be alone now, be waiting. All there's left to do is run. And if you were ever coming around,
Oh, this record is fierce.
it's really fierce. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting.
Crown and pose at the ring and says, marry me, Julie.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was playing, I was like, I can't hear it, I'm getting old, I hate my life. I'm sure it's 20,000 hertz. What is happening?
Can you hear it more in one ear? I can hear it. I feel like I can't hear it. I can hear it.
God, is this
Shake your head, shake your head.
getting quieter,
I
yeah?
never made this with my mouth.
It's getting quieter.
What's happening?
Barely.
Oh my god, that's loud.
So I've just finished doing some research for my trace evidence assignment. I've got lots of notes down here that I've got from a variety of sources. I've been mainly trying to find some references so I can go grab them from like the library and just like to note them down. I'm sort of just doing the research stages right now because this isn't due in until 29th of March, I think. So yeah, I've just been getting stuff down from the case I've chosen. I've decided to do the Southside Strangler, which was based in Virginia in America. I think I can do US cases. I just need to double check, otherwise I will need to change my entire case. But yeah, I've just been watching like a documentary on it just to get a bit of background info, and then I've just been finding some articles. So before I ever write anything down, obviously I do all my research first, get all the references, note down loads of things relating to what my assignment's about, and then yeah, I get cracking. But I'm going to do a bit more research, probably like another 3-4 hours of research, and then I'll start writing it properly. So just editing the unpopular opinions video, and this comes up my stairs. Wait, let me zoom in. Whoa, brother! A heavy bowl of Weetos.
Ding,
This is our favourite dinner. This is our go-to uni dinner at the minute. It's actually so bad.
uni meal.
This is why I don't do like food videos, because that's what we eat. What the heck? What the heck? It's so big. Is that the rest of them?
No.
Oh,
More in there.
oh, I thought you just put it all because it was like the rest of them.
But they were all dropping off as I was walking up the stairs.
What the hell when you were picking them all up one by one?
Oh.
Okay. So I've just finished editing the unpopular So I've just finished editing the unpopular opinions video with my friend by my side, and the video is actually going to be going up 2 hours after this one, so make sure you're subscribed to my main channel so you can go watch that. It's the one that everyone keeps messaging me about, like, when's the unpopular opinions video going up, and it's very juicy, very angry. What other words would you describe it as, Cook? Triggered. Yeah.
And just funny as fuck.
Triggered. It's really funny. It's very light-hearted, so please don't take offence if we mention your opinions. Like, literally, our opinions are just the opposite ones to yours. It's fine. It's just a joke. It's just a joke, okay? But now I'm gonna go downstairs and eat some bread because I just eat like shit when I'm at uni.
My friend. To let you all know, after that massive bowl of Utos, I went down for a second.
That's jokes.
That was quite just get skinny with us.
Get skinny with us. Alright, so I've just had some food and stuff. And I just thought I'd quickly show you some of the things people have recently been asking me about in my vids. So, number one is this planner. I got this from HomeSense, so I'm not really sure. It doesn't have like a branding. Oh yeah, it does. Oh. The branding's called Tempo, I think. Yeah, Tempo. So I don't know if you can get that online, but I got this in HomeSense and it was reduced, I think. But I got it last October, so I had it in preparation for 2019. But it's just a simple black diary. It's like literally amazing for like my everyday use. So I like pop this in my rucksack when I take it to uni in case I make any plans with friends and stuff, just so I can write it all in. It has like obviously overviews of the month at the beginning. And then I have literally everything in all of my things. So I've got all of my lectures that I've got to do in the day, things that I need to film, like what I need to write, like errands I need to do when my family are picking me up, literally like everything that's happening in the day I whack in here because it's just super easy. It's got like a whole page for each day. It's just what I like in a diary. So yeah, that's why I chose that from HomeSense. I just like how it's classic, black, gold writing. I like the little clasp, it's cute. And then this is my other planner that I use. It's more of like a to-do list thing. It's more of a to-do list thing. I've only just started using it because I completely forgot I owned it. But this was from a brand that I got gifted. I got it gifted from this brand called Old English Company. And it's so lovely. It's literally perfect again. Like you can put the date up there and it has all of the day's tasks that you need to do. Obviously you can utilise the page more than once because I don't have that many things to do in a day, and I think even if you do have that many things to do in a day, you shouldn't, because that would make you much less productive. So yeah, I usually keep it short and simple, have like about 5, maximum 6 things to do in a day. And then, yeah, I don't know, I just like the way that you can like have the little tick box there. Then it also has like a little note section at the bottom if you've got like obviously appointments or things that you need to rearrange and stuff if you can't fit it into the day. So yeah, I like that. And that's just cute. You can't really see in this lighting, but it's like a baby pink colour, and again the like gold foiled writing. So yeah, I had a few questions recently about these two planners because I've obviously been showing you my work and stuff a lot. So yeah, that's what I'm using at the minute. Other than that, the only other question I've been getting asked a lot on Instagram is about my Airbnb code/link. So a lot of you seem to be booking holidays, which is great. I'm very, very jealous of you right now, but I don't have the money to currently book one. I'm waiting for some bits and bobs, like some jobs and stuff to do. For my bursary to come in and stuff. So yeah, I've been very jealous of all of you talking to me about your holidays, but I'm feeling very hyped and stuff, especially for those who are going to places that I've been before. A few of you guys have used my link and asked for it, but I've made sure to like link it always down below in my description. So if you're ever thinking about booking a holiday or need anything, then it is down below. It is down below in the description. You click on the link and I think it gives you £25 off your first visit if you've never used Airbnb before, which is absolutely fab. So yeah, head over and use it because it is obviously very useful, and Airbnb I find is a lot cheaper than a lot of hotels, and I find it always makes me feel like in the culture a little bit more than going to a hotel abroad. It's just quite nice because you have like a little quaint room and you have it all to yourself. Like you don't have to have it all to yourself. You can have like shared rooms and like, or you can have the entire flat to yourself, which I prefer. But yeah, anyway, that's where my Airbnb link is. It's down below, and let me know where you're going on holiday this year or where you're planning on going. Right, so I forgot to end the vlog last night. Yeah, so I've basically woken up feeling really like grim and not very well at all. What I was going to say before I ended the vlog, I can't remember if I mentioned this in like a few vlogs ago, but I've recently been helping a lot of you guys with like dissertation stuff, projects, things like that. I feel like I have spoken about this because I did think about it the other day. But if you have any like surveys, dissertation work, anything that requires other people to help you out with, leave them down below and we can all help each other out, because I think it will be a lovely idea. I've been doing some people's dissertation questions and things. Obviously, like, I might take a little bit longer to respond because I do have a lot of my own work to do too. So sorry if it does take a little bit longer, but I will try and get back to as many of you as I can. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this vlog. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you've enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for another uni vlog. Bye.